applied India Book of Records for my experimental videos in my Namirtthan Science Lab channel. For the record, they need full coverage of my videos as a proof to set a new record. So we have decided to do it. Yes, do it again. I made and uploaded 121 science experiments. For that, I got this record from India Book of Records. Now let's open this medal. This is going to be awesome. India Book of Records kids. Ready? India Book of Records kit. Ooh, here's my medal. Pen. These are stickers of India Book of Records. This is my ID card of India Book of Records. And this is the badge. This is the badge of India Book of Records. And this is my medal. Let's see what else is in this. I will open this medal and everyone will be proud of me. I am taken out of my medal. It's cool. Phenomenal.
बच्चे द्वारा अधिकतम संख्या में वैज्ञानिक प्रयोग करने और समझाने का रिकॉर्ड नमीरथन कार्तिकेयन ने बनाया, जिनका जन्म 18 नवंबर 2014 को तमिलनाडु के पुदुकोट्टई में हुआ था। उन्होंने पानी, नींबू, बेकिंग सोडा, गुब्बारे और अन्य चीजों का उपयोग करते हुए 121 विज्ञान प्रयोगों का प्रदर्शन और व्याख्या की। रिकॉर्ड के वक्त उनकी उम्र 7 साल 2 महीने और 14 दिन थी। रिकॉर्ड की पुष्टि 1 फरवरी 2022 को की गई थी।